Hello, everyone. This is Shauna, and I'm back with some more homework help for Chapter 4, Section 3. Let me share my screen at this time. In this video, we'll be looking at number 10, which reads this way. In a pizza restaurant, 95% of the customers order pizza. If 65% of the customers order pizza and a salad, find the probability that a customer who orders pizza will also order a salad. So here, this is what we're looking at. We have, I'm going to use a Venn diagram technique, which is that thing that looks like a rectangle with circles inside. This is something similar. So here's my box, and I'm going to here's a circle. Okay, this is our pizza circle. Okay, and then we have a circle that's salad. Now they overlap because some people order both. Okay, so let me do this. Let me undo the circle here. Put it over here more. Okay, there. Now, this is a little more believable here. Something like this, right? Bring this down a bit. There we go. We've got something that looks like that. All right. So this is pizza. Okay. And this is salad. So we have pizza here. We have salad over here. Okay. Now, 65% of the people order pizza, but some people order both. The people who order both are in this portion, this overlapping crescent-like portion of the circle. So if we go back to the problem, it says 65% of the customers order pizza and a salad. Okay, so what happens here is what they're telling us is that 65% of people are in that middle portion, that overlapping portion. So this portion here is 65%. That's my and, okay? Let me move this over just a bit. Let me squeeze this over some. So here's my 0.65. Now, this whole circle is 95%. So just for some perspective on this, here's what's going on. You got 95% of the people order pizza, 65% order both. So here you've got 95 minus 65. That gives you a difference of 30. Okay. Now what that is on this picture is that's this portion, 0.30. That's this portion under here. Let me move this down some so we can actually read it. I think it might be too hard to read that. Let me see if I can squeeze this over here. 3, 0, something like that. Okay, that's good enough. So now, see, this whole circle is pizza. So this black circle, you now have 95% in the black circle, right? You have 30% that just order pizza, 65% that order pizza and a salad. And because this is 95 here, you know that 1 minus 0.95 is 0.05, right? So this is, there's 5% of people, assuming that these are the only outcomes you have, there's 5% of people who order just a salad, is what this diagram shows. Now, you don't have to make this diagram. This is just a way for me to help you understand what's going on with the problem, okay? Now, what we'd be looking at here, of course, these are not mutually exclusive events, right? So we'd be looking at the probability of, and it depends on which probability you were looking for, how you would write the formula. So let me look back at the problem one more time here. It says, find the probability that a customer who orders pizza will also order a salad. So in this case, what we're looking at is, yes, we're looking at the pizza and salad, but we're also looking at conditional. We're given that they order pizza. Will they then order a salad as well? Okay. So we're given that they order a pizza. Will they also order a salad? So here's what this looks like. We have find the probability that a customer who orders a pizza will also order a salad. So this isn't just a pizza and a salad, which would be 65%. It's find the probability that given that a person orders pizza, the order includes salad. So we know that if it's given that from the other videos you've seen, it's not dependent, well, they are, but it's not a strict multiplication. It's the conditional probability formula. And the conditional probability formula says this. It says that the probability of A given B or B given A, right? This line means given that. So A given B, okay, is going to equal the probability of A and B. So this is the probability. This is equal to the probability of A and B, which is that middle overlapping portion, divided by our restriction, which is, in this case, probability of B. Now, what does that mean for this problem? That means the probability, in this case, that would be equal to the probability of pizza and salad, right? Which we know what that is. We have that element, right? This is the probability of pizza and salad divided by, hold on, having some technical difficulties with my Zoom text box. Give me a minute here. This is the probability of pizza and salad, and we're going to divide that by the probability of ordering a pizza. Okay, so because we're looking here, this is the way this works is you're looking at the overlapping portion. So you're looking at, let me do it like this. We are looking at the probability of, one moment, there we go. Okay, we're looking at this overlapping portion here. Okay, but not as it relates to the whole sample. We're looking at that as it relates to the entire pizza circle, given that you're in here. So remember, that's not 30, that's 95. So it's this 65, this overlapping portion divided by the total of the pizza circle, which, as we said, was 95. So what this means is that in this problem, we have the following. We have this probability will equal 0.65 divided by 0.95. Not multiplication, but a division problem. Okay, so then this becomes, let me move this down here so that it's easier to read it. So this is 0.65 divided by 0.95. I'm going to bring this up just a hair. There we go. There's my, and that's equal to 65 over 95. Let's take a look. Let's go to, let me stop sharing this and go to the, give me a moment here. I need to go to my desktop, go to GI here. Not that far away. I need to go to this here. So I'm gonna go that. No, not yet. I don't want to open that. I want to open that. Okay, so now, one moment, ladies and gentlemen. So here, let me make sure that I'm sharing the correct screen. Okay. All right. So we get, let me clear this out. So we have 0.65 divided by 0.95, and that becomes 0.6842. Okay. So we have, let me go to my other screen share here. Go to my and this was number 10. And there it is, 68.42%. So here we have, let me go to the whiteboard one last time. This is equal to, we're going to draw this, and we have 0.6842, which is 68.42%. And that is an example of conditional probability. Hope that this has been helpful to you, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, folks. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.